there's a Japanese term called uh, ikigai. I think how you say it, ikigai, and it's more. It's a culmination of what you love, what you're good at, what you can be paid for,
Right.
and what the world needs. So
Right.
it's kind of, you picture like they're all over the place, Venn diagrams of these four aspects, and you
Right.
want something that crosses all of those ovals, right? And
Right. Right. Right.
what can you find in the center that you love to do, you're good at, the world needs, and they're willing to pay you for it. So
Mhm.
that's what yeah, it took, and I think there's a culmination of these and a lot of other books I read that over the last 2 years, it took me a while to really realize what Naval was saying too. So I've heard it and
Mhm.
I understand it, makes sense, but to actually find your specialized knowledge and what you're supposed to be doing is incredibly difficult, right? It's like your
Yeah.
life's purpose. That's what
Yeah.
ikigai means. It's your life's purpose.
Yeah.
What is that? And I
Yeah.
was
Yeah.
looking, well, I've been doing screencasts for 4 or 5 years, right? And I love doing it. And I'm in a Magento, right? And there's this major gap of Magento 2 of knowledge videos. People can't learn it, right? It's really difficult. And
Yeah.
one of the things I love to focus on since day one, even when I was getting started in programming, is how can I simplify things? This is way too complex.